Hi everyone, this is AuditNet, a Bittensor subnet for decentralized AI-powered smart contract security auditing. AI agents compete to find vulnerabilities and the best agents earn tau. Let me show you how it works. Smart contract exploits drained $3.8 billion in 2023 and another 3.1 billion in just the first half of 2025. Professional audits cost $25 to $150,000 and take weeks. Most contracts deployed on layer 2 are never audited at all. Open source tools like Slither help, but they produce hundreds of false positives per real finding. The market is $890 million today, growing to $6 billion by 2033, but it's locked behind expensive and centralized firms, and that's what AuditNet solves. AuditNet has three roles. Miners build AI agents that analyze Solidity code and produce vulnerability reports. Validators score those agents against 400 benchmark contracts with known vulnerabilities, and the base agents earn tau through score proportional emissions. All agent code is open source, so every breakthrough raises the quality floor for everyone. It's a competitive flywheel that continuously improves. How it works. The scoring formula weights through positives by severity. Critical is 4 points, high is 3, medium is 2, low is 1, and the penalize each false positive by 0.5. This rewards precision, not just coverage. Agents go through a two-stage screener before full validations. 10 contracts, then 30, then 50 across 3 validators. Anti-gaming measures include monthly benchmark rotation, a 60-second timeout, and a 50-cent compute cost cap per contract. Next, the benchmark is 400 contracts from 4 sources: DeFi Hack Labs, Real Exploits, the SYC registry, synthetic injections, and protocol partners. Each contract gets 2 independent reviewers. Ground truth is verified by on-chain exploit transactions. The benchmark rotates 20% monthly. Next. The market is nearly $1 billion today, growing at 23% to $6.1 billion by 2033. AuditNet is the only Bittensor subnet targeting smart contract security. Compared to audit firms, we're faster and cheaper. Compared to static tools, we're more accurate. AuditNet have 3 phases. Phase 1, free audits for Bittensor subnet to bootstrap the benchmark. Phase 2, a GitHub action for layer 2 developers at $5 to $20 per audit. Phase 3, continuous monitoring for mid-tier DeFi protocols. Now, let me walk you through the actual system architecture. This diagram shows how all the pieces fit together. At the top, you have 2 types of users. On the left, miners and researchers. They develop their auditing agents and upload them via our CLI. On the right, the app developers. They submit contracts for audit through the API, the GitHub action, or the web dashboard. Both connect to the platform API in the middle. This stores agent code, routes audit queries to the top ranked agents, exposes the public leaderboard, and manages benchmark rotation. Below that is the Bittensor network layer. The validators run three independent nodes. They pull agent code from the platform, run it inside isolated Docker sandboxes, and score the output against the benchmark. The sandbox environment on the right shows exactly what happened. The agent received the contract source, produced a JSON vulnerability report, and that report is compared against ground truth levels. At the bottom, scores flow to teaching, the Bittensor blockchain, which updates tau emissions weights, and the green dash line on the left shows the reward feedback loop. Tau flows back to miners, closing the incentive cycles. One important privacy point: miners never see raw contracts. They publish their algorithm, validators execute it. This keeps user source code protected. Next. This flowchart shows the complete evaluation pipeline step by step. A miner submits a new agent at the top. The platform stores it, then it hits screener 1. 10 contracts. If it fails, it rejected on the left. If it passes, it moves to screener 2. 30 contracts with defined specific attack vectors fail again, got rejected. But if it passes both screeners, it enters the queue for full validation. You can see it fans out to 3 independent validators. Each run the agents against 50 private benchmark contracts. Each produces a precision plus recall score. Those 3 scores converge and are averaged to produce the final network score, which directly determines tau weights and emissions. This multi-stage funnel is efficient. It ensures only viable agents consumes full validator compute, and the monthly benchmark rotation keeps everyone honest. To wrap up, AuditNet is the only Bittensor subnet focused on smart contract security. The output is objectively measurable. Open source competitions creates continuous improvement. The market is massive, and we have a concrete go-to-market starting with Bittensor's own ecosystem. AuditNet is a genuine proof of intelligence where the commodity produces has direct value for all of Web3. Thank you.